Hey guys, welcome to MADSTECH. As you can see, my Realme X is running on Oxygen OS. If you want to flash that ROM, here is a card for same. In this video, we are going to flash ZenX OS ROM in Realme X. For that, boot your device into twrp recovery. All the download links are there in the description below. Go into wipe dalvik cache system data. Your phone must be on Realme UI firmware before flashing this ROM. If it's not, just flash RUI firmware only.zip before flashing this ROM. Now go into install and flash ZenX OS version 1.10.zip file. Flashing will take some time, so just sit back and relax. After flashing, again go into wipe, factory reset and format data by typing yes. Reboot system now. Just quickly set up your device now. As you can see, it is booted into ZenX OS version 1.10. Google Play Store is pre-installing this ROM. And you also get FM radio and Dolby audio, that too without any useless apps. Android 10 with 5 October 2020 security patch. Build date 10 October 2020. As you can see, proximity sensor is working fine while calling. It comes with Oneplus Launcher as default launcher with Oneplus icon packs. If you have specific questions related to this ROM, then please comment down below. I will try to include it in my full review video of this ROM, which is coming pretty soon on the channel, so please stay subscribed. Please like, comment, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified. Thank you guys for watching this video.